Hoover Melamine ware, quality tableware that caters to everyone from every cuisine to every culture. Our tableware is an identity, a part of celebrations, a status symbol, and a communal affair. And this journey began in 1969 in a small factory in Singapore, where every single piece of tableware was laboriously molded, polished, and checked to ensure the highest quality. 50 years on, we are now one of the largest melamine tableware manufacturer. Inspired by our heritage, we understand our customers' needs to design tableware that tells their stories. Product to spark that dinner conversation, and relationships that connects people and preserves cultures. In short, we redefine design in the world of tableware. Today, we stand at the forefront of our industry with new machines to ensure consistency in quality standard, new tools to streamline our process flow. We are consistently pushing new frontiers to increase our productivity and production standard. This is the very reason we are growing from strength to strength. This is our vision to become the world's best. By redefining the idea of manufacturing, we made the impossible possible, transformed new ideas into new designs, and built products of high and durable quality. All this made possible because of our team of people, the team that forms the core of our business. They are the builders of today's business, enablers of tomorrow's dream. And because of them, we are able to build more than just quality products. We have built relationships that last, relationships that define our commitment to product quality, on-time delivery, and high customer satisfaction. So this is our company mission, to create and deliver what matters to our family and society. Because at Hoover, reliability always comes first.